Hi RAC School leaders, thanks for tuning in to this tutorial video. This video will go over the last two tabs. Those will be the strategy summary and budget summary tabs. So let's go over to where those are. After you've completed all of your intervention strategies, you can see at the farthest right are two tabs in blue with little locks on them. The strategy summary sheet and the budget summary sheet will self-populate depending on what you put in your intervention strategies. So if everything goes correctly, there should be no reason for you to have to do anything here except review them. So the strategy summary sheet takes all of your listed turnaround principles affected in your intervention strategies, your highest priority issues identified through the QSR, the SMART goal from your intervention strategies, your strategy description, this is again your overall strategy, not your step-by-step, the owner, and then the target population. So this is a quick summary of all your intervention strategies. It's basically just the top section of your intervention strategy tabs. The budget summary will take all of your different line items and all of the different sources of funds and tabulate them so that you see your instruction subtotal, your support services subtotal, your facility subtotal, and then your overall total cost. Okay, so if you look up here, it says budget data will automatically be calculated based on funding category and source for each object, etc. Again, with this strategy summary page, it's the same thing. This page will automatically be updated based on input of each intervention strategy sheet. So if you need to update these or edit these by hand, what you can do is click on Review and then Sheet, and that will unlock the sheet. And at this point, you can type things in by hand here. Be careful doing this. The reason is because to make everything work correctly, everything revolves sort of on these formulas. So just make sure that you don't do any cutting and pasting. Type things in by hand here. If everything goes well, you won't need to unlock anything because they'll all populate correctly. If you use your drop-down menus, they'll all populate correctly and you won't have any problems. Once you're done, you're going to hit Lock Sheet again. It's going to ask you for a password. You're going to not put anything there and just hit OK. And that will relock the sheet. And there will be no password because you didn't enter a password into it. So a few things that you just saw are going to look slightly different. This is on a Mac. If you have a PC, they'll look slightly different. You're looking for Review and then Protection and Protect Sheet. On a PC, it might be called Unprotect Sheet or Unprotect Workbook or something to that effect. But just call your RAC or your IT staff if you need any help. Thanks for tuning in this instructional video.